All right, welcome back. We are getting back into it. Second session for the day, part 3 overall in the series. I was just playing the game a bit, and I'll give you another quick recap, kind of where we left off. So we did sound effects, we did particles, we did grid cursor, mouse cursor. We did automatic planning, automatic harvesting, lots of fun stuff. We can also stop the automated. And we added particles. They're probably easier to see if I go full screen. And we added an early version of the day-night cycle. It's actually cycling constantly and going through pretty quickly. I don't know the exact pacing here. But we can always modify it later. So that's kind of where we left off. I want to... That's weird. I thought I was in... Okay, I don't want to save this. Let me back out of this. I thought I was in my new one that I just made, so it's not save that. World is what I want. I'm gonna delete the top layer, and then we're gonna show our grid. It's gonna be 8 by 8. And so basically, I want to get debris. So just like bushes and stuff, and yeah. And for now, I'm keeping everything one color. We can add more later. It's probably good. Get some rocks. For the rocks, I might use that kind of guy. I don't know if I need that actually. Some that fill. And yeah, maybe this one has like a couple. This one has a few. Yeah, we could do something like that maybe. And we're gonna need some stumpies. Should probably use that. So maybe we got like some of this, and maybe there's some logs and stuff. Yeah, this one has like 2. Remember, very low resolution. There's only so much we can do pixel-wise here. That's cool, I think. And no, I kind of like that little branch off, and then maybe something like this. All right, so we have 5 different tiles for each one. I think that's good for now. I don't care about the background right now, so we're going to export that. And we want to get that into art. This is Farmadelic version 9000. We have the world here. Voila. And then what we want to do is get another tile map layer. I'm probably going to put that under crops. Call this world. Oh, maybe just for now it's debris. We need a new tile set for that. Well, Or should debris just be on the same one? We go to our tile set. Let's see what happens there. Oh. I think I'd have to make a pattern. Let's redo that. So we do that. It's all a little bit different here. It's like theoretically we could do that and then this. And that kind of gives you a sense of what the debris might look like. If I, for example, just fill this, right, that might be the beginning world. And so we'd have to remove those elements. But what I really need is drag and drop or paste. So I don't think it's a pattern. I think it's a terrain that we have to make. The only thing is I don't know how to do that. Do I do that? So we have the terrain. I just don't know what. So we have these selected. I'm gonna have to go online and check this out, I think. Okay. Well, I'm just getting my flannel off, getting a little hot. Let's see. You're learning on the fly. That's cool. Don't need collision yet. So I need to be able to check where that is. I think that's what we need terrains for. Oh, we could use custom data maybe. Okay, let's see. I have to select the tile. Should just be crops and debris. Well, oh, we have to go to select, I think. Alright, so we do that. There we go. Alright, and then so that's going to be grass. Call this grass. We'll see if we can get this working. And this is going to be stone, wood. Stone, we're going to grab that color, use the eyedropper. Same thing with that. Alright, and then so I think we just select down here, we do that, and then we do one. Select that, we do that, and then two. Okay. So we can see the terrains are updating. We can set probability. So if we wanted like one of these to be more likely to fill. But now if we go here, okay, we're not seeing those terrains. Um, so grass. That's weird. Yeah, I don't think that's what I want. Yeah, we could do that. Some grass. Okay, that might work. And then we can do stone. Let's delete the terrains. And then I think what we can do is just check that layer. So if we look at the tile map layer, so let me make sure I clicked into this. Okay, good. I need to see how to get the yeah. Oh, here's where you can flip that. Okay. Do 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 do. So I'm gonna change this to we're gonna have call this like clear, maybe? No. Move. That'll clear it. Then in process, we also need to check that. So if mouse if cool. I think we want to do. Let's get rid of this. If so we're going to do that either way. Either way, we're going to reset the input delay. Yeah. So here we want to check if the source ID is 0. So we want to do, actually just don't try harvest. We want to do if what can we do? I do name. Whatever. Just do that. Now clear cell. Yeah. Good, that works. Well, that was weird. Oh, because we're growing all of them, but we only want to grow the crops. Interesting. It looks like you can get cells just based on their atlas chords. So we can clean that up. And then, the growth. I'm going to do crops down here. So now these shouldn't change. Yeah, that's good. Definitely need some sound effects when we're clearing Real quick, I'm gonna do this while I go through my files. Don't want that sounds. That could be good. Do, 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 do. Come on, computer. Oh man, it's really slowing down here. Looks like I have more footstep sounds. Did I get that break, rock break? Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty loud, but we can use that just temporarily. So we want to play that when we're breaking that sound. Yeah, I think for now we'll just do that. Okay. I can get back on here. There we go. Let's debris break. And we're going to give that a custom script. Script debris break. It's going to inherit from audio stream. Audio player custom. Is that not right? Was it audio player? There. Whatever the hell I called it. So the main thing we want is this function ready. I'm getting a YouTube notification. I'll check that later. I think for now we're just going to do sounds equals preload. We're going to get debris break. So it's going to be a little bit boring because we only have that one sound in there for now, but it's better than nothing. Now we want to go back to crops, and really crops is kind of becoming more than crops, but we will persist. So let's debris break audio player randomized equals 3. So now when we clear a cell, we can just go ahead and play that if this is not equal to 1. Otherwise, so if the cell's empty, we don't want to touch it. We don't want to do any code. Alright, so we're not getting that. Oh, because I didn't actually call this. There. Did I not give it that script? Let's see if that. No, I have to reload. Weird. I don't know what the problem is there. Oh, duh. Let's definitely turn that down big time. Maybe even more. Yeah, we definitely need some variety in that. Now, it does clear crops too, which I think is okay. Like if you want to modify your layout, sure. Sure, why not? Okay. Now I think I want to randomize this. I'll do that later. I'm just going to make a note for now. Randomize debris. Debris spread. Yeah, let's do that. Not the randomizing, but the debris spread. So debris spread's going to need a timer. It's up here. I think it makes sense to have it separate from growth because we might want those intervals to be different. And so maybe debris spread is like double the time of that. And we'll auto start that and we will connect that up to crops. So when that happens, we need to get kind of, we do a similar thing here. So we check for debris and source ID equals that. See, I don't think we actually need source ID because all of our crops are on the same one. What we will need is to get the crop type. Now we can just throw that in there. For now, we can just do that. So that's kind of how it's going to be sorted. And up here, this is also not right. Let me make a note. I'll worry about that once we have more than one crop. The important thing is down here, I'm actually editing the wrong one. So let's just put all this here. There. Now down here, we're going to get debris. I guess we can do string on that for now. And it's going to be cell. That's going to be tile data. Then from tile data, we want to get, let me just put type. I think that's all we need, actually. Let's just do it. Yeah, we can keep it separate, why not? And so now we're not advancing that, but we do need to choose a random one based on the length of it. Which I think we'll just hard code. Five. It's gonna be and so we don't want to modify that. I don't know if we need type. We can just do it by the Y. Why is that not showing up? It's in util. I'm gonna use cell. I think the default's fine. I don't think we need that right now. We will need just gonna equal this. I'll walk through this when I'm done here. Divided by 3 length, and then atlas y. We do 4. Let's just type it out. Why not? Do if rand f greater than so that's gonna be 3 and atlas quartz. So let me clear this crap, and then we're gonna see if it spreads. I think it spread. We have to check also if that cell is empty. Oh, jeez, let me just type it out. Do that, and so if the cell's open and we succeed in the roll, then good. Just for quick testing, I'm going to set a really short wait time on that timer. So when I clear, we want to see some spread happening. I don't know why it's taking so long. This should be happening every half second. Did I not update that? It's so weird. Okay, why in the world is it so slow at first? I don't understand that at all. Regardless, let's do that. I think we actually want to check not equal to debris and rand f. That seems alright. Let's just watch. Let's maybe do like try 5 seconds for now. Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi. Okay, that works. I'm curious why it wasn't working with half a second. It like that seems to be working. uh, so we loop over it in here. I wonder if that's a built-in thing. Can use direct. That's not what we want. Okay. Yeah, so I'll make that up here. It's actually going to be a constant, I think, if we're allowed to do a constant using those. Yeah. We just replace that. Because next, I need to use that to do, for a debris spread, to check if we're in range. I'll probably put that up at the top here. Cell in range. So I need to see, need to look up vector 2i. Could just do this. Just double checking this real quick. That looks right. If not, cell in range. Then we continue. Don't need that. I don't even think we need that right now. I'm gonna do that just so we can't plant in the or it can't spread to the other area. So now we shouldn't see spread go to that bottom lip down there. Yeah, cool. Depending on what I want to do with the UI, I might increase that buffer by another one so that we can't do anything on these bottom two, or I can do it at the top. See, debris eats into your crops. It's kind of nice. Might increase the debris spread timer duration. But keeping it pretty fast, it encourages you to keep a clear space. I'd say I really like the contrast between like the dullness of the debris and then the saturation in the crops. That's really nice. Please tell me I switched back. Okay, good. A little paranoid about that after I was working and forgot to do that. Now what's going on here? I'm guessing that's because in our tile set, if we go to debris and then we select all of these, I think the problem is this needs to be -1. Let's see. That might be a glitch. So we look at crops and we select all these. You see it's rain and terrain set are -1. That's what we want to see. This for some reason won't let me override that. Let's make a new one. There we go. That's annoying. Let's see if those errors go away. It looks like they did. Beautiful. We're just getting some warnings now. Tile data is declared but not used. Let's get rid of it. Time tick is declared but never explicitly used. Okay, let's get rid of it. Integer division. I think in. It's a good warning. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we want. And just ignore that. Because I don't care about that warning. Alright, now we're getting a constant. Okay, what? Oh, because this is the old method, that's why. We just do that. That should fix everything. It's always good to stay on top of those, even if it's just the warnings, especially the errors. Because over time they get out of hand. Not to mention, when you actually need to reference errors and warnings, it becomes so cluttered if you don't maintain it. So, yeah. I think definitely want to do more crops. We need like debris. Let's say particle effects for plant harvest, debris, and clear. Light, mild light glow on crops. Do crops influence window, etc. All right, I think I'll leave it off there. That's pretty good progress. We'll touch base probably tomorrow. But as always, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you want to help out the channel and show your support, you can like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe as well if you want to see future videos. All right, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps, and good luck making that game. I'll see you next time.